You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This is originally a word from Spanish and South America, Latin America. So again, Spanish. So we need to learn the Spanish pronunciation and how it's usually said in English. The Spanish pronunciation is as faja. The J sound from Spanish is very guttural, very ha. If you cannot pronounce this, just replace it with an H sound, which is the closest sound in English. Faja. You could spell it F-A-H-A, faja, or from Spanish, faja. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Faja. Now at least you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.